In today's video, we're diving into the best remote control apps for Roku and TCL TVs available on Android. So, let's get started and find the perfect app for your home entertainment needs. Remote control for TCL TVs. Remote control for TCL TVs is a user-friendly app designed specifically for TCL television models. This app transforms your Android device into a fully functional remote control, allowing you to manage your TCL TV effortlessly. It features all the essential functions, including power on/off, volume control, channel navigation, and input changes. Additionally, the app provides an intuitive interface with a virtual keypad for easy typing when searching for content or entering passwords. With this app, you can enjoy seamless control of your TCL TV without the need for a physical remote. Remote control for Roku v TCL app. Remote control for Roku v TCL app is a versatile application that provides remote control functionality for both Roku devices and TCL TVs equipped with Roku. This app offers a straightforward and easy-to-navigate interface, allowing users to control their devices without hassle. It includes all the standard remote features, such as power, volume, navigation, and a virtual keyboard for easy text entry. Furthermore, users can access popular streaming services directly from the app, streamlining your viewing experience. With this dual compatibility, the app is ideal for users who own both Roku devices and TCL TVs. Stick, Remote Control TCL TV. Stick, Remote Control TCL TV is another excellent app designed specifically for controlling TCL TVs from your Android device. It offers a clean and simple interface, making it easy for users to navigate their TV settings and control functions like volume, channel selection, and more. The app also features a virtual keyboard for convenient text entry, as well as support for casting content directly to the TV. With a straightforward design and reliable performance, Stick makes managing your TCL TV a breeze, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies with ease. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these remote control app recommendations helpful for enhancing your TCL and Roku TV experience. See you next time on our channel.